Okay, this is a quick guide on how to dispose of an asset and the associated double entry. Take an example of a used car, purchase price £4,500, kept for 1 year, the depreciation charge for the year was £900 and it sold for £3,000. There will be three accounts involved, and that will be the car at cost account, the accumulated depreciation account and the disposal account. And here are the steps. So the first step is to remove the car from the car at cost asset account. So the car will have been listed at purchase price and recorded in the asset account when it was purchased. So what we need to do now is to take the car out of the asset account, remove it from the account altogether, and to do that we open a disposals account. So there's the disposal. We're not going to, I'll open it in a moment, but we're going to close off the car at cost asset account. So I've just put in a credit for £4,500 and the cross reference for the credit is the disposals account. So I'll open the disposals account to do the double entry, and here we put in the car at cost account 4,500. Now what that's done is taken and removed the car at cost account value. The car is no longer listed in the accounts now, and so you can close off the car at cost account. Notice there's that's it. If you balance this account off and you try to bring a balance down, there wouldn't be a balance to bring because it's been balanced. So looking at it now, we've removed the car from the car at cost asset account. Now the next step is to remove the accumulated depreciation from the accounts. So yes, the next step is to remove the accumulated depreciation from the account. So the way to do that is go to the accumulated depreciation. It should have already had the £900 in there, because that was the depreciation. The cross-reference double entry for the depreciation, or rather the accumulated depreciation, is debit depreciation expense, credit the accumulated depreciation account, and that's, I've just used the word car for a little reminder. So now how do we get rid of the accumulated depreciation? Well, it's quite simple. You debit accumulated depreciation, and then you go over to the disposals account and you credit the disposals. So I'll put that in now, and that has dealt with the accumulated depreciation. So go back to the steps, remove the accumulated depreciation. It has now been removed from the accounts. Okay, now record the sale proceeds. So the details were sold for £3,000. So, and that's recorded in the disposal account. So the double entry would be debit bank £3,000, and so we need to credit disposals account with £3,000 putting in the sale proceeds. So I'll do that now. And so let's have a look. So we've recorded the sale proceeds. So now we need to calculate the gain or the loss on disposal. Well, this is a balancing figure exercise, so you take a balance on the account, and you can see that there's a missing figure there. Now, so here we're going to put in the loss on disposal, which is quite simply a balancing figure. So I'm going to put it there, £600. Now that balancing figure, the loss on disposal, will show up in the profit and loss extract as a loss on disposal. Let's have a look what's left. Let's go to the steps. So we've calculated the gain or the loss on the disposal is £600, and I've closed off the disposals accounts. Finally, transfer the loss to the profit and loss account. So let's take a look. Loss on disposal, it's already there, £600. And that's it. That's how to calculate a gain or loss on disposal, and that's how to record the transactions in the double entry bookkeeping accounts.